Alright, so this is going to be my video on my infinity bottle. There are many different kind of infinity bottles you can do. You can do them with bourbons, whiskeys, vodkas, scotches, tequilas, whatever floats your boat. Some people put them all together. I personally am a bourbon person, so I am going to make mine strictly bourbons, and I am going to start with instead of doing a 2 or 3 ounce kind of all together and then go from there, I'm going to start with a pure decanter, and then I'm going to remove 3 ounces at a time and add 3 ounces at a time. I am going to start with my base. These are kind of 5 of my favorite bourbons that I kind of go to. One is the Knob Creek 12 year, which is 100 proof. I also have Four Roses single barrel. This is out of Warehouse 55, batch 83 4K. It also is 100 proof. Elijah Gregg small batch Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey is 94 proof. Maker's Mark 46 also is 94 proof. And then we have the Bullet Bourbon 10 year, which is 91.2 proof. My base is going to be the Elijah Gregg, so I'm going to fill up 1,000 milliliters in this, which is actually 33.814 ounces. So if you want to keep ounces as ounces. So we're going to fill this up with the Elijah Gregg, and then after I get it filled, I'm going to pour out 3 ounces, and then I'm going to pour in 3 ounces of the Four Roses. Then after that, I'll probably go to the Knob Creek, and then I'll probably go to the Makers, and then I'll probably go to the Billet. I'm going to do these one step at a time, one different bottle a week. So I've got 5 weeks worth here, and then it'll continue to grow. So let's go ahead and get started here. First, we're going to get the funnel because we don't want to waste too much of our bourbons. Again, Elijah Gregg, 94 proof. This is a very good bourbon. It's one of my kind of go-tos, and they sold it in the bigger bottles like this. Some of the small batches you can't get, so that's why I'm starting with this. So in goes the Elijah Gregg. And get that filled up to the full 1,000 milliliters. All right, there you go. Still plenty left to sip on a little bit later. All right, so we've got that all taken care of. And now, to stay true to form, we're going to actually pour out 3 ounces. And let's see here. Take our 3 ounces out. Not going to waste it. I'm going to drink that tonight. Always good, always good. All right, so now we are going to take our Four Roses. We're going to take 3 ounces of that. Bring back our trusty funnel. Add our 3 ounces back to that. Cork it up, and that's it. We're ready to rock and roll. So this is our first of our infinity bottles. And again, we started off with the Elijah Gregg, 3 ounces, pour 3 ounces out, added 3 ounces of the Four Roses single barrel. Thank you very much. Cheers. I'll be seeing you.